Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the things that I got from the garden center. We've been wanting to get a bird feeder, so finally we got one. This one is a panorama bird feeder. This is an acrylic or plastic, I'm not sure what it is, but it's pretty sturdy. It's from Pet. It's a copper bird feeder. I chose this one because it can hold up to 2 pounds of bird food. There's a bunch of plastic ones in store, but I don't think that's gonna last us for some time, so I chose this one. And then the top part opens up where you can put the bird food, and then you can close it back and then lock it so the squirrels can get in. The next one is this hummingbird feeder. This is from Pet. I chose this one because it's aesthetically pleasing and it's red, which attracts hummingbirds. It has a bee guard and it is glass, so it's sturdy. And then as you can see here, it says ant mode, wide mouth opening, and bee guard. So there's a bunch of other options as well, but I like this one. It has 4 feeding stations, and you can open the bottom to fill it in with the hummingbird nectar. And this is the nectar that I bought from the store as well. I also got some wild bird feed. That's for the other bird feeder, and I got a bunch of flowers which are really pretty, so I couldn't resist to get some flowers. There's some pink hyacinth, some daffodils. We already have some few daffodils growing in the backyard, but they were small, so I wanted to add some. There's purple hyacinth. They're very fragrant. And then there's 2 tulips, yellow and pink. So that's all I got for my garden center visit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.